care of birds. So I'm going to be taking care of. So
we got little babies.
I'm going to be taking care of
don't
hurt them.
Well, I'm going to be taking care of one.
Not until like...
Do you have a cage for them?
Yep.
Why don't you go put them in your cage?
So there's the baby birds. Come on. Leave them alone. See?
Yeah.
Now you do have to feed them like bird seed. Like feed them like a little bit of milk because their mama. Well, their mama's not taking care of because their nest is full of bird poop.
Come here.
And
mine's a girl.
I'd say these two are probably maybe brother and sister.
Well, of course they're brother and sister and sister and brother.
Well, you don't know that.
The girl's mine.
Well, why don't you go put them in your cage before they get out?
No.
Okay. Well, this is them and the girl and the boy. Well, I'm gonna keep them for a little bit, and then I'm gonna give one to her. Maybe.
Okay.
Maybe it's just I don't know.
Because one's mine.
Well, we don't know that yet.
We do know that because you already got 2 birds.
So far,
You should actually let me have them because you have 2 birds already.
Well, I'll tell you what, why don't you just take care of them until they get big enough to fly. And then
that's what I do all the time.
okay.
I'm the master lady. I have been taking care of birds since I was about maybe 6 or 7.
How old are you now?
5, 9.
9?
I'm 9.
So I'm basically the master bird.
All right. Go take care. Go put them up. You can't put them back now. They're out of the nest. Was there only 2 of them in the nest? There was only 2 in the nest, right? Okay.